This early morning, the streets of Asafo are yet to come alive. Offices and shops in the area remain closed, but the frontage of the Kumasi Labour Office is full of casual construction workers who come here daily, awaiting patronage of their services.
Labour Office no, obi batiment na 1 week kura wo juma. Obi wo ha, wo batina sa.
Sometimes we can spend a week here without getting a job. If you are lucky, you can get to work for the whole week.
1 week. Wow, Mati Jumano and Koyi.
Alhaji is a popular steel bender. He is also skilled in painting and provides any of the services as demanded. Alhaji left a construction company over a decade ago to hawk his services on the streets. In the past weeks, he managed to access services for 2 days in a week. This earned him 200 cedis to cater for himself, 2 wives and 6 children.
My wives are working, but I am the one taking care of all of them. I have a family in the north who call whenever there is an emergency, and I have to respond.
Amos Boache has been frequenting the Labour Office for over 20 years. The past weeks have been tough. He can only access a day of service in the week. Meanwhile, his transportation fare to the Labour Office has increased from 6 to 10 cedis daily. He has had to be strategic in his spending on food to save some money to take care of the home.
We have to be cautious with our spending because you are uncertain about when you get your next job. Some of us can't even feed ourselves. We depend on God.
John Mensah has been engaged once for his carpentry services in the week. This earned him 120 cedis. Surviving on the amount has been tough for him. He is hoping for an additional 20 cedis to make up for the increase in transportation costs.
As I said, you pay capital for no, you pay 1.4 AG. I say amazing for no more than 1.3.
We want an increase in our charges. At least 140 Ghana cedis for carpentry work is fine. Sometimes we are forced to take old charges because the customers are not ready for the new prices.
The more we had Madin, I think I ever say to Muleban. I said, my no, but now I'm corner. Also, when you
The men prefer hawking their services on the streets to employment in construction firms, but the streets are increasingly turning expensive. With a persistent increase in commodity prices, these construction workers would love to increase the service charge, but the fear is that their services may no longer be patronized by the populace. For Joy News, Nana Ojima, Kumasi.